Hi, this is Tushar Ramanan from 99 Workouts Season 2. As you're aware that we feature special guests in each and every episode. Today I have someone, I won't share much about her, but let's meet her in person and find out what is she into, what's her background, and many more secrets. So just follow me and we'll check out our special guest today and let's see who we have. And here is my guest today, that's Serena. Hi Serena.
Hi. Hello.
Well, yes, I have to share a lot of things about her. So Serena, why don't you have a seat? Yeah. Wow. It's just a very quick kind of a shot we are doing today for 99 Workouts. As you're aware that all the people who are featured have got something special, but at the end of the day, they're very motivated in taking out time. They find time to go and work out. So Serena, tell me something. You've recently won a lot of shows, but I believe you're from the IT background.
Yes.
How did this all happen?
Okay. So I was in IT for 6.5 years. I was very much workaholic. I used to work for like 12, 13, 14. I don't remember how much hours I used to work for. But in the end of the day, in the end of the month, we used to receive the same salary, no appreciation, nothing, and we used to work like robots. So there was it was really upsetting job for me because there's no appreciation and people don't recognize your talent so much. So what happened during that course of time? I met my now husband, who was my boyfriend, and we were dating. We were in a beautiful relationship, and all of a sudden, within 1 year of our dating, what happened? He got paralyzed. We had a brain stroke and he was paralyzed for a week. He was in ICU, and at that time our parents were not aware about our relationship. So I had to hide this fact, and I was sitting in front of the ICU alone. So for 7 days I had to manage everything, my office, him, and I didn't know what is going to happen. We didn't know why this happened. So the doctor said that it's because of the unhealthy lifestyle. So we had no time of our meals. We never used to work out. We just used to sit in front of the system and work for 13, 14, 15, I don't know how many hours. So at that point, I thought that itna paisa kama ke what will happen? If we have so much of money, we are not, our health is not good, then it's all a waste. So from that, I thought of doing something towards my fitness at least, and my husband's fitness. So I started with this Zumba videos. I saw these videos in an Xbox, like we used to play Xbox. So there I started doing Zumba fitness, and I became a Zumba trainer after that. So for 2 years I did Zumba plus my office work, and then I thought that let's take a sabbatical and see if I can earn from Zumba that much, and I can take care of myself that much. So I quit my job and I started becoming a full-time Zumba instructor, and then I thought let's go to the gym and start my workouts. For 1 year I was not very serious with my workouts, and I was mostly playing PUBG with my trainers. For 3 hours I used to go to the gym, but I used to work out for 40 minutes, 50 minutes max. Then since last year, January 2020, I seriously started training, weight training, because I saw some little changes in my body. And then I started with powerlifting first, and after the lockdown I was doing my workouts on my own, and then I got this opportunity of participating in Body Power. And this year, January 2020, exactly in 1 year, I won 2 shows, Beachbody and Fit Factor.
So you're watching 99 Workouts Season 2 with Serena. आपने अभी सुना कि इनकी जो कहानी है बेसिकली ये रिलेशनशिप में थी, और इनके जो बॉयफ्रेंड हैं उनका कुछ हादसा हो गया था और उसके कारण वो आईसीयू में उनको जाना पड़ा, और उनकी जो जर्नी है उसके कारण जो उन्होंने देखा, फिर इन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि शायद इनका जो पैशन है वो आईटी की तरफ ना होकर ये ज़्यादा फिटनेस की तरफ है. तो एक बहुत ही जो सवाल जो है, Serena, you decided to get into competitive level,
Yes.
From generally people go for weight loss or something like that. Were you ever overweight or something like that?
I was not overweight, but I was a little bit healthier. My weight was always the same, 60, 61 kgs. Even now I'm like 58, 59, 60, that much. So मैं overweight नहीं थी, but मैं healthy दिखती थी. I used to have very chubby cheeks and fat. I had fat, a lot of fat on my body. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. And मैं कभी सोची नहीं थी कि मैं competitions खेलूँगी. मैं बस मुझे अच्छा लगता था weight training करना, इसलिए मैं करती थी. देन मुझे लोग आके बोलने लगे ना यू शुड गो फॉर कॉम्पिटिशन्स बिकॉज उतना शायद उनको उतना दिखा मेरे बॉडी में चेंजेस एंड देन आई थॉट ऑफ ठीक है लेट्स सी देयर इज नो हार्म तो मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया एंड देन आई वेंट फॉर इट एंड
Tell me, Serena, you have not had a professional experience in kind of competing and things like that, and directly you went on to Beachbody, and then you won the show. Then you went for Fit Factor, you won the show, and how does it feel now?
नाउ इट फील्स वेरी गुड दैट कुछ ना होके मैं आईटी में जॉब करती थी बिहाइंड द सिस्टम आई वाज लाइक फॉर 13 आवर्स वहाँ से मैं यहाँ तक आई तो आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ एंड थैंकफुली आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड कोच हेमंत फ्रॉम वॉलीबॉल itself आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड कोच सो लास्ट ही कम्प्लीटली हेल्प मी माई प्रेप सो उनके हेल्प से मैं बहुत आगे आ पाई इस लेवल पे आ पाई
Tell me something. लोग आज की तारीख में everyone runs behind the IT sector. They feel that there's a lot of activity happening, a lot of money is there, things like that. But you went totally the other way around. Like knowing the fact that we are in an unorganized sector and leaving a well-paid job and getting into something where there was kind of no future. So. Wasn't it a very big decision for you?
It was a very big decision. Even now, like I don't get support from my parents. My mom doesn't like my maternal family. They don't like all these things कि मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ. Recently मैं घर पे गई तो they said कि हमने इंजीनियरिंग तुमको इसलिए पढ़ाया था क्या कि तुम ये सब करो ऐसे कपड़े पहन के स्टेज पे जाओ. So that hit me very bad कि people otherwise people respect me a lot but मेरी खुद की फैमिली में my parents they don't respect this they don't respect all these things. बट मैं वो सब कंसिडर नहीं करती मुझे वो सब चीज़ें अपने दिमाग में मैं लाऊंगी तो आई कैन नॉट मूव अहेड सो आई लाइक कम्प्लीटली शट डाउन ऑल दिस थिंग्स बिकॉज आई हैव टू अचीव व्हाट आई वांट टू अचीव
Now that you might have seen when you went on stage that there are a lot of women coming from different parts of India. They also have their own stories and things like that. What would you like to give as a message to women who just are into weight loss and things like that? I mean, what kind of message would you like to give them?
उनको बोलूँगी कि जो भी कर रहे हो सीरियसली करो ऐसा नहीं होता कि शादी में जा रहे हैं या फिर हमारी सगाई है हमारी शादी है कोई फंक्शन है गोवा जा रहे हैं तो हमको वेट लॉस करना है इट हैज़ टू बी अ लाइफ स्टाइल बिकॉज आप फिर बोलोगे कि अरे मुझे 3 महीने के बाद 3 महीने तक मुझे वेट लॉस करना है उसके बाद चलेगा ऐसा नहीं होता यू हैव टू बी इन दैट मेंटेनेंस फेज आपको मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा ऐसा नहीं होता कि ओवर द नाइट आपको यहाँ से वेट लॉस करना है तो किसी को पेट से वेट लॉस करना है किसी को टांगे पतली करनी किसी को हाथ पतली करना है ऐसा नहीं होता इट हैज़ टू बी लाइफ स्टाइल आप जैसे नहाते हो जैसे सांस लेते हो फिटनेस हैज़ टू बी इन योर लाइफ स्टाइल एज वेल सो दैट विल बी
Well, Serena, as you know, that we can say that she came into the entire fitness fraternity by chance. I mean, that's what if I get from her. And then she happened to go on stage competitive sports. There are a lot of women from different parts of India who also train regularly, who are actually fitness trainers. So, and then from there, winning the crown, it's just commendable. Serena, my next question to you is, how do you I'm sure you have more plans to compete now that you won 2 titles. There's a lot of pressure on you also to keep this going. So what is your plan for further? We went through a COVID phase, then the fitness industry is evolving again, slowly opening up. So how do you intend to, do you plan to compete now in this year?
Yes, definitely I plan to compete, but I also want to give my body rest because 3 महीने से बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने डाइट किया था तो अभी for 1-2 months थोड़ा रेस्ट मिले उसके बाद आई डोंट वांट कि आई वांट टू बी इन सच अ पोजीशन कि ये सस्टेनेबल रहे मैं लॉन्ग टर्म तक कर सकूँ मुझे शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स मेरे नहीं है सो दैट्स द रीज़न वाई आई बी टेकिंग एडिक्वेट ब्रेक्स इन बिटवीन एंड फिर जब मुझे कॉम्पिट करना है मैं कॉम्पिट करूँगी.
Serena, my last question to you would be these kind of competitive sports, because you started slightly late, and isn't it too taxing on you as a person in terms of taking care of the diet and things like that, and you have a spouse who wants to enjoy oily, greasy food, and then you go to this place where you have to compromise your two kind of separate meals. So who does the cooking? How does it
I
work?
do all the cooking. So mostly what I do for him is थोड़ा बहुत मैं चेंज कर देती हूँ. जो मेरा डाइट रहता है मैं वो सेपरेट रखती हूँ और उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा सैलड, चावल और सैलड तो कॉमन रहता है. और उस दैट उनको पनीर खाना है तो दाल खाना है तो वो एक्स्ट्रा कुछ बना लेती हूँ. सो ऐसा देखा जाए तो इट्स नॉट ए वेरी बिग टास्क बिकॉज एज ऑफ हम जस्ट 2 लोग हैं तो 2 लोगों के लिए इतना भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. हम क्या करते हैं ना, प्रॉब्लम्स को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा देते हैं जो प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती. तो उनको अगर दिन में अगर मैं 1 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा निकालती हूँ तो सारा काम हो जाता है. 1 घंटे में मोस्टली 1.5 आवर्स में सारी कुकिंग हो जाती है. बिकॉज आई लाइक कुक लाइक 3 बार का खाना एक साथ बना लेती हूँ.
Okay. So tell me, Serena, I'm really thankful that I caught you at the last minute, and she was very kind of forward cover in terms of coming and doing this very impromptu kind of an interview. So Serena, my last thing is, how would you, what will you actually feel which will make your parents proud? I mean, though you have won crowns, you post it on social media, things like that. What is one thing which you feel that may change their?
I think if I win a medal for my country, then they might change. Their perception might change.
Okay. Well, you're watching Serena with me on 99 Workouts Season 2. Serena has got a very bright future. I've seen the show where she had participated and won these titles. Really, really motivating. You should follow her on her social media, on Instagram and Facebook. The posts are very motivational. And as you know, that 99 Workouts is all about people who spread a lot of motivation in terms of going back to their diet, their fitness training routines on a regular basis, and they don't miss any of their workouts, and that's their passion. Keep watching 99 Workouts Season 2 because our next guest is going to be equally interesting.